All right, good morning everyone. Today I want to talk about carpal tunnel syndrome. Most people have heard the term carpal tunnel syndrome, and I'm going to show you real easy what kind of symptoms you get as a carpal tunnel syndrome patient. So here, the hand, all right, we have what we call the carpal tunnel. And many times the nerves get trapped. The most common, there's two nerves that go through here primarily. It's called the ulnar nerve and the median nerve. And in this tunnel, the medium nerve will usually get trapped and people will get sensations like numbness, tingling. It's kind of like you feel this sensation, pins and needles, as many people would describe it. And many people have to do this shaking of the hand in order to sort of wake up their hand. Now, the reason for that, if we look closer here, we're gonna look at the carpal tunnel. This is a beautiful picture of somebody's hand, and right over here you have this carpal tunnel. And this carpal tunnel, you have the yellow, which you see, this is one of the nerves, and this is the other, the median nerve. So we have the median nerve and we have the ulnar nerve. One of those two nerves is bound to get trapped. Why it gets trapped? There's many reasons. Many times, again, if we look closer here, there are repetitive movements. The most common is somebody on a keyboard for too many hours. So their wrist is bent, okay, and this creates trapping of the nerve. The second is somebody who does a lot of manual work. For example, people that do a lot of knitting, those kind of things, basket weaving, etc., can create a carpal tunnel. Again, you're doing a repetitive motion with your wrist, and this creates problems. We can see a picture here of somebody knitting. We could see somebody playing guitar. You have your hand in a very awkward position. So when you do this for a long period of time, you are bound to trap the nerve. And that's when people get the carpal tunnel syndrome symptoms. Now, if we look again closer here, you could see the yellow, this is the nerve, and then these white, these are the tendons. So there's a lot of things that go through this tunnel. There's many tendons. If we look up here again, you see the tendons in here, the white ones, these control your fingers, and it causes the nerves to be trapped. Many times the problem is here, or it could be traced back to the elbow, or it could be traced back up to the neck. So that's a little explanation about the carpal tunnel and its symptoms. On another occasion, I'll explain to you what we're gonna do to fix them. Thank you for listening.